checked in, going to Busuanga here at Mactan International Airport. The airport actually is well improved than 35 years ago, I'd say. Wow, it's amazing. Big shops, lots of restaurants, place to eat, place to drink. Good job, Philippines. Thumbs up. Safely in Busuanga Airport. Hello, welcome to Busuanga. Husband is waiting for our luggage with a wooden luggage area. Hello. We have arrived to the accommodation we are going to stay, Princess of Coron. It is really, really nice. You can see there is a pool over there. It's really, really good. Riding a tricycle from the port and then we are going back to the hotel, the Princess of Coron. We have a tour A and tour B tomorrow, and I'll show you all the islands tomorrow. Good morning, everyone. I'm still sleepy. I don't know. I don't think I have enough sleep last night. But anyway, we're gonna have a boat tour today, and we're going to a tour B, and I'm hoping it's going to be fun. So we'll have breakfast first. That's my husband there.
Morning, Star. Welcome to Coron.
And my boy. And we're gonna have some breakfast quickly and then go for a boat tour. I'll see you in the boat tour. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to my channel, Living the Dream with Marikrisenco. We are here currently at Kayangan Lake. So today we have taken Tour B. It costs us 900 pesos per person. Of course, the prices probably would vary later on as you travel here in the Philippines, and especially if it takes you so long before you get. The lake seems really nice, but it's very deep and it's huge, right? It's crystal clear water, as you can see on the bottom there. And my husband is just there swimming. Hello, darling. Be careful when you are going to swim in here because it's really, really deep. Tourists or anyone can't swim here unless you have a life vest, because there are some incidents already before that people had leg cramps or whatever happens to them, that it's not good. You can possibly drown if you don't have a life vest. So please take care of yourself when you come around here and enjoy the water. Pristine, lovely, clear water. We are going inside the cave just behind me over there. So hopefully we will have some fun in the cave. So crowded in here. Oh my God, the water is so deep, and that's our tour guide. Hello, Kuya Reynald. And then our friend here.
Hi, my name is Bien.
Bien, yeah, from Quezon City. And yeah, we're going inside the cave. We need a flashlight. That's right. Oh, finally, somebody's videoing me.
I have to get pretty close because it's dark, diba? Kasi ka na 20 pesos. 20 pesos. Diba?
So as you can see, we have got into the cave. If you want to go there, make sure you have your phone or a torch to go in. Otherwise, it's very dark. You can't see anything, but yeah, it's good fun. Welcome back to my channel here at Living the Dream with Marikrisenco. Yes, we are here in Coron. We are currently at the Green Lagoon. My son already swimming. My husband is already also swimming. I'm going to swim as well. We have lots of groups in here. They're taking some photos. That view over there is amazing. And look at all those limestones behind me. They're nearly the same as El Nido. You should really come over here in the Philippines one day. And yeah, it's really awesome. We just had some lunch here in this island. They call it Shell Island or maybe Clam Islands because they are shaped of the clam. It's okay. It's a place to eat, a place to relax, and we're gonna do more tours later on.
Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, Marikrisenco. We've been out here today on the water in Coron and it's fantastic again. back out with the boat crew, visiting different islands and different coral reefs, snorkeling, diving. Fantastic. Now we're just having a little bit of rest on one of the islands. We've had a lovely lunch.
That's right.
Fish and barbecue pork and clams, and now we're sort of resting and we're waiting to do the second half of our tour.
Yeah,
this
so
afternoon. So how did you find the tour, Chris?
yeah, it was pretty good. We currently were doing the tour B, which is one is Kalangan Lake. That's the one that we have first visited. Then we went to the Green Lagoon. Then we went to the Coral Reef Garden, and now we are here in the Clam Island where we just had our lunch. So there's more to come and more to go. I hope you enjoy our videos, and so yeah, we'll show you more.
I think the good thing about Coron, you tell me, Chris, is that there's lots of different styles of swimming. So they can swim in the lagoons, you can swim at the beaches, you can swim in the coral reefs.
Yeah,
That's what makes the place so beautiful.
that's right.
So I highly recommend it. Come along.
That's right. Stay tuned. So we finally arrived at CYC Beach. This is our last stop in this tour. It's amazing. We can swim going to that island, otherwise you can walk. You can. The water is nice and clear. As you can see, it's pristine, crystal clear. You can see some fish. Hey, let's get some video of these people selling some stuff. And everyone already have their beer. Manong, bye-bye. Thank you for some beer. Told us some beer. I don't drink beer though. This
We're
is
here
our...
at the CYC Coron Youth Club.
There you go. CYC Coron Youth Club.
I don't know why.
Hi!
This one, hello. Like that.
Why did
Kuya
they call it
doesn't
like
even know.
that?
We were asking him. He's
Why
our
did,
tour
why
guide.
did they call it like that?
Why did they call this place a CYC?
That's right.
Coron Youth Club.
Coron Youth
Why not
Club.
for senior citizens? I don't know.
That's right. Should be senior citizen night because more seniors are the one come around here rather than the
Are we
teenagers
not
and stuff.
supposed to
Grandma and grandfather.
Yeah, we'll go to the beach. We're gonna fly some drone and see if we can show something for you guys today. Okay.
It's drawing up.
Yeah, let's do it.
Flew the drone, success. 2 drone flights here in the Philippines. We've done well, Chris.